Hi guys. So I'm going to do a lot today. I'm going to meet my friend, and she should be coming anytime now. I'm going to meet her, and then I'm looking for my earring. Anyways, I'm going to meet her, and we're gonna chill a little bit, and then I'm gonna see my other friends later on today. I don't know if I'm gonna do this as one vlog or I'm gonna cut it in a two, but come along with me. See ya. Hi, Tishauna.
It would be nice to like a nice all things.
Yeah.
What is that?
£8.
And I'm nice to go afro and everything.
Don't you?
With this.
Go on a beach side.
When I'm coming back here. Alright.
724
Huh?
724.
hour
I'm always
So
here.
that time I can when I come back I'll get it for £7 then. Like what you mentioned, 7 day 24 hour. I like the number 7, so I prefer £7. How that sounds? Yeah?
Come back again.
Alright. Yeah. If I can make it to the office 8 o'clock, it'll be nice.
Guys, Tishauna bring her a trolley, and left it because she a hot girl and she don't want to walk with the trolley. Not too drum in here, no? I don't know nothing about this something. You see what me rock? My ear always wrap up.
that your hair was long.
Yes. My ear always wrap up.
How long has it been locked?
Anybody need a wig? Maybe. Depends on the time. You probably get like a natural.
I look Italian.
Oh,
So yes, bonjour. Bonjour, my French. How much for this?
This is my thing, 9.99.
I thought it was free. On the tag say free.
But you got
In the seat.
£85.
You see it say free.
Sorry?
You see the tag say free.
Take it free in it, you see.
Take it? Okay, no, you're very nice. Hello.
sexy murder.
Yes, I'm gonna get up my pom pom. Boy,
Cheers, Jesus.
Nice. has a little bit of the color like my hair.
Bleach it out and color it up nice. This week I
Is
have
it
a red
human?
pom pom.
No,
No.
it's synthetic, man. 9 pounds you buy human. Oh my god.
Are you trying to ridicule me? Oh my god.
I want to keep you alive, you know.
You want to keep me alive?
Of course.
Shabbat machine.
That's for 5.99 kilo.
$5.99 for half?
$5.99
For half?
per kilo.
Oh.
Per kilo, that's worse.
Jackfruit.
150.
Get 2 green peppers. I want
Yeah.
that.
Yo,
Never mind.
charge you £1, no problem.
It's not chunky, you know what I mean?
This one.
You need much more than that because my mind changes very often. Next thing I don't feel like eating that. Squeeze a lemon. Turmeric. Meringue. Jesus. Why make a 5 pound? What's wrong with these peppers? Nothing cold. Last time, a vanilla one day tastes like heaven.
Yeah.
This rice one looks like it's going with a vibe. Have you ever had it before?
No love.
You don't have these kinds of milk?
Master.
You have like natural milk.
Mm-hmm.
The healthy snack that really appeases me that I actually like it a lot. It's a problem with last shopping, you know. Like
No,
that
nothing food.
here. After this, I'm not really buying nothing. I just try to use out everything I have and keep everything at bare minimum. I don't want when I'm ready to go, I have a lot of things. You understand?
Mm-hmm. How much months you have left before you go to Jamaica?
So January.
May I go back next week?
Huh?
May I go down next week?
Really?
If my head take me stay a little longer.
Oh, often you go down.
Jackfruit in syrup. I want one. Guys, look what I find. How much are them? 2, 4, 5 of them for £1. What, that's $100 Jamaica? What's that? I'm Buster. That this me not buy this little bit of something for £1, you man. Sorry for this. Oh, Tishauna gone. Yes, you do. Lord.
That's the problem.
Tishauna barely to do to move today.
Good girl.
Tomorrow.
Were you vlogging me?
So, we'll buy some food, but you know,
Middle
price.
piece. Yeah. That look nice. They're all the same price? Yeah, so give me a nice piece. Yes. Yes.
Come here. We out here. Tishauna na ba na mask ng police wala car watch.
Let me picture right this.
So we're at the park, guys. Tishauna want to take our picture. And so,
Call Jamaican. Take my picture here. Take my
take the
picture
picture
there,
side of the
picture
bush and the
beside
sign. Hello everybody. So we have Tishauna here and we're going to do the Bean Boozled challenge. I'm gonna take out it already. I'm gonna know how I'm gonna show you the cover.
Oh my god.
But you know.
I was thinking about that when you were doing it.
Alright,
yeah.
so we're gonna do the Bean Boozled challenge. She don't know what it is yet, but she said she have an open
Total
mind.
newbie.
Alright, so you're gonna spin this and whatever it land on, you're gonna get two options. So this could be either something good or something bad.
Okay.
And for example an example of bad is like rotten egg, dog food, dead fish, boogers, you know, nice something there, nice, you know. So you go first since you're the guest. So just spin.
So what are the good stuff? She want to tell me about the bad thing.
The good stuff. Peach,
strawberry,
Skittles, tutti frutti, coconut, toasted marshmallows, chocolate pudding. You know? Okay. So just spin and
then I'm going to have to what? Eat the one again?
Hey, spin it. What do you know? Let's see what you get. Toasted marshmallow or stink bug. The brown one there.
Toasted marshmallows. Let me see.
Ooh, I'd go with you.
Man, you set me nervous.
What it tastes like?
Weird. Like every time I see, every time I like, there's one taste that's
my juice close, cause
that's ringing in my mouth. Then it start tasting like something else.
it might be something good. Can you eat it all?
It tastes
You never
toastish.
threw it away.
It tastes toastish. It tastes citrus. What you taste now one, which
No,
is
sir.
right, not good.
Take a spin. Something good. Coconut or spoiled milk. Woo! Alright.
Let me see
Which
if I right
one,
in the
like,
juice.
the clear
It's a dark one. Oh, coconut.
The clear one. When I have one.
You sure?
Oh, Jesus. Be the good one.
I can't take no more of this. That's enough.
Coconut.
It's nice. You set me up
Coconut.
officially. Alright, here we go now. Lucky finger.
No, I am real. What is?
What's that?
Chocolate pudding or canned dog food?
Canned dog food?
The dark one.
That doesn't sound too right to me. Canned dog food. I'm nervous. I'm not lying.
Jesus, Minerva! Minerva!
Coconut. You said dog food,
Dog food or chocolate pudding.
But does that mean it could taste like either? You smell it, dog food.
I'd go with you, come and know that one and it tastes good.
Never eat it?
What you drop? No, more there.
It dropped, so
More
it's
there.
it dropped.
Let's say go, more there.
No, so I can't bother. I'm saying.
And that good, that the good one, you know, I know you get the bad one.
No, that,
It's bad though. Where drinks? We drink it out?
it done.
The peanut punch, the bed come in and they feel.
I'm going to drink the peanut. No, I can't smell like dog food.
You know, nobody a kiss later, so you're good.
Well, you never know.
Again.
Just to make
That
matters
again.
clear.
You see? Oh God, man.
Your time now. My move it now.
Licorice or skunk?
Licorice.
Me not like none of them are no good.
Skunk are the black one.
Licorice or skunk, but none of them do something that taste good.
Licorice are probably a good one.
Licorice.
But you never eat it none at all.
Blech.
You have got to set a rule. So you have to eat at least
chew it for 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Yuck!
1, 2, 3, and oh, I understand now. It can taste like either of the things. So, like the green one, you know, it either taste like a juicy pear or like a booger. And if you're Jamaican, it means like
Bogo.
Oh, Lord, we nearly get it.
Strawberry
Get the boogie one.
banana or dead fish. Which one that?
Are the one with the more peachy? This. Not this.
Supposed
The
to.
lighter peach one there. Other one here can taste like strawberry, or can taste like banana, or can taste like dead
Dead
fish.
fish.
Technically, when you fry fish, it's a dead fish, eh? But I
It's not gonna taste like
I
fried
guess they
fish.
mean alive. No, I mean a raw dead fish. Make us say alive dead fish. Alright, I'm gonna say it now. It's not
That
bad.
don't look bad.
Just come like say, oh, the strawberry banana taste up on the top and the dead fish taste in the middle.
Mix up that one.
Me not trust them. I feel like say once of that it have all that tasting. I think me can't go no more. Me done.
The canned dog food. Lord. I don't want it.
You get it already?
You get it.
What it tastes like?
Corn Kruger.
It said tastes like chocolate pudding or candy.
That was nobody's chocolate.
I think all of these things taste bad. That's like as a general thing. All of them.
No.
All of them taste bad.
This not nice.
Jesus. What is a
I don't know.
licorice?
Licorice. I like
Licorice.
one of them. You know the straw sweet in them? I like one of them there. But it black.
Oh yeah, I mean I like them sweet today, so it would be nice to me. Alright guys.
Yeah.
This is gonna be my last one.
Nice. Alright guys, we could have wall it so we are ball out. We're not doing no more because them taste real bad. But if you want to try it, definitely get it on Amazon.
Real bad. Yeah, but I'm not sure you explained it to them in the beginning. So pretty much each of the jelly beans can taste like any one of the things that you see. What do you call the circle something there again? On the